everybody. Right, now, do you remember yesterday we started off the first bit of our ice exploration, and we had 3 pots and we put different things in them and filled them with water and put them into the freezer. Well, today I've got them out of the freezer, and would you like to see what's happened to them? Okay, well, here they are. So look, here is my one I put the plants in and filled with water. And can you see what's happened to the water? It's turned to ice, hasn't it? Now, I've quickly ran this under some warm water so that it's loose in my pot and it comes out easily. And if I turn it out like that, if I hold it close, you might be able to see. Can you see all those leaves are trapped in my ice? And lots of ice bubbles. Wow. Gosh, that looks so interesting. Oh, and even the leaves that are sticking out are hard too. Would you like to see the next one? Okay, so this is the one I put our sequins in. So if I tip this one out, there we go. Oh, that looks beautiful. Now there's lots of very interesting air bubbles in there, and all my sequins are trapped inside, so I've got those. And then the last one is the one that I put the soldiers in. Let's have a look what's happened to that. Oh, my soldiers are frozen solid in my ice block. Wow. Now, this is the exciting part, because now we're going to see if we can make our ice melt. And you can decide how you would like to do this, but I'm going to have a go at using a few bits and pieces I've got here. So I'm going to start off, pop those back there, because I'm going to start off using my one with the plants in. So this is the exciting bit now, because I'm going to try to put different things on my ice to make it melt and to see what happens when I put some of these different things on I've collected here. And you can put whatever you like on yours. I have chosen these. So in my first pot I've got some salt, because I'd like to see what happens if I put salt on my ice. In my next 2 here I've got water, but one of the waters is cold and the other one is hot. Got some rice here. Didn't know if something would happen to my ice if I put rice on it. And I found one of these as well. It's a little spray, so I put some water in my spray, and I'm going to see what happens when I spray that onto my ice. And if you had some food colouring, you could always put that inside too. Now, I've got a spoon here that I can use to pop my water on, or if you've got a little pipette like this, you might have a turkey baster, or you might have a little pipette like this one, or maybe a medicine syringe. You could use these to drip water onto your ice too. So I'm going to get started. So first of all, I'm going to sprinkle some salt on and watch what happens with the salt on there. That salt looks a bit like ice. It's in little crystals. And rub it in. Oh, look at that. My finger's wet. I wonder if that's making my ice start to melt. I'm going to use my pipette. I'm going to squeeze the air out, get some of my warm water and pour that on. I think I'll put it on top of the salt. Oh, that water is clearing some of the misty bits away, and I can see my leaves really well inside. Wow. Well, I'm going to carry on exploring with my ice, and if you made some yesterday, see if you can get yours out and see what's happened to it today. If you haven't had a chance to make any yet, why don't you do that? Okay, I'll see you soon. Bye bye.